Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. I know it's been a while since I did a bargain eats and treats video, but we're going to go ahead and do one on the Idahoan potatoes, instant potatoes. I used to take these camping a lot when I went camping. The only thing you need to do is add water. I used to actually mix them up in the bag. But they come in a lot of different varieties. We got baby reds, roasted garlic, sour cream and chives, and loaded baked potato, mashed potatoes. Loaded baked mashed potatoes made with 100% real Idaho potatoes, perfectly blended with sour cream, cheese, onions, chives, with the taste of butter and bacon. Okay, dry, quarter cup dry, 110 calories. But you need 2 cups of water, that's all you really need. That's what made it so nice for camping. Just add water. Now these are really the only instant mashed potatoes I actually like. And I know you get the big box of these for I think around $2. And yeah, it's a better value, I know. But I don't think you can get the flavors in different boxes, or the box. You can't get the box potatoes in different flavors. There we go. I've gotten those potato flakes before, and I mean, they don't taste bad. It's a whole texture thing. As you'll see, these actually come out looking like, well, mashed potatoes. Now, when I was out camping, I didn't add butter, but when I'm home, I add a little bit of butter to them. Or should I say parquet? It doesn't say it in the directions or instructions, but I don't know. I think it gives a little more of a better taste to them, to be honest. Stir that in. There you go. Something quick and simple to make. And you can see it's not like the flakes. I noticed sometimes the flakes don't dissolve right. They're kind of chunky, but these come out nice, creamy, and smooth. Like I said, they're only $1 a bag. If you try them, let me know what you think. If you ever had them, let me know what you think. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thanks for watching.